everything I have within me, every breath I take is a gift that you have given. I will not waste, so I pour it out before you in this place. All my praise belongs to you alone. Every song, every word I sing, all day long. All my praise belongs to you alone. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. I will never take the glory for what you have done, for every battle you have fought and victory won. Now I live to give you honor all my days. All my praise belongs to you alone. Every song, every word I sing, all day long. All my praise belongs to you alone. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. Right in the middle of my failure, right where I fell apart, when I thought that I was too far gone, you reached into my heart. Your mercy met me there, just as I was. Your mercy found me, lifted me up out of my brokenness into your love. Your mercy found me. Now I proclaim I am standing here today because of grace. Da, 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 da. Now I walk in full redemption with a brand new song. Every step is filled with purpose, where I belong. I will never stop declaring what you've done. Your mercy found me, lifted me up out of my brokenness into your love. Your mercy found me. Now I proclaim I am standing here today because of grace. I trust you still. When I don't have all the answers, and the road is hard to see. When the questions keep on rising and it's hard to believe, still I hear your voice remind me you're working for me. Jesus, I trust you still. Through it all, even when I don't understand, when I fall, Jesus, I trust you still. Now I say you are faithful, Lord, in every way. In every way. Now I choose to stand on promise, even in the pain. For I know that you are with me and you'll make a way. I will never stop declaring you remain. Oh, Jesus, I trust you still. Through it all, even when I don't understand, when I fall, Jesus, I trust you still. Now I say you are faithful, Lord, in every way. In every way. Ooh, yeah. Jesus, you're my safe place. Ooh, yeah. When the world feels overwhelming and I don't know what to do, when my heart is filled with worry, I come running to you. For I know within your presence I'll make it through. Jesus, you're my safe place, my refuge. When the storms are raging, I run to you. Jesus, you're my safe place. Now I know I am safe within your love, wherever I go. Ooh, yeah. Now I rest within your promise that you'll never leave. Every fear that tried to bind me no longer has me. I will never stop declaring you cover me. Oh, Jesus, you're my safe place, my refuge. When the storms are raging, I run to you. I run to you, you. Jesus, you're my safe place. Now I know I am safe within your love, wherever I go.
till my final breath. I will lift your name forever, I will never rest. Every day is just a reason to give you praise. I won't stop praising you day and night. I will lift your holy name, lift it high. I won't stop praising you. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. Oh, yeah, yeah. Through the trials and the triumphs, you have stayed the same. Never once have you forsaken, always made a way. I will never stop declaring your great name. I won't stop praising you day and night. I will lift your holy name, yeah, lift it high. I won't stop praising you. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. When I feel like I am failing and I can't go on, when my strength is all but left me and my hope feels gone, still your power rises in me, making me strong. Jesus, my strength in weakness, you are near. When I feel I have no power, you appear. Jesus, my strength in weakness, now I say I am standing strong in you every day. Dependence on your grace, for the strength I need to carry on comes from your embrace. I will never stop declaring you make a way. Jesus, my strength in weakness, you are near. When I feel I have no power, my strength in weakness, now I say I am standing strong in you every day. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Down and my heart feels torn, when the weight of all I'm facing leaves me worn, still I choose to lift my hand when the weight was on my shoulders and I couldn't stand the strain, when the nights felt never ending, filled with sorrow and pain. You were right there beside me, calling my name. Jesus, you carried me through the storm. When I didn't have the strength, you were strong. Oh, Jesus, you carried me through. Now I see every step I made, you were carrying me. Oh yeah. Now I walk with new assurance, knowing you're my guide. Every valley that I've been through, you were by my side. I will never stop declaring you are my life. Jesus, you carried me through the storm. When I didn't have the strength, you were strong. Oh, Jesus, you carried me through. Now I see every step I made, you were carrying me. Oh, yeah. Jesus, you never left me. There were nights I felt so lonely, like nobody cared. In the middle of my struggle, thought no one was there. But looking back, I see it clearly, you were always near. Jesus, you never left me. You stayed close, even when I couldn't see. You held me close. Jesus, you never left me. Now I know you've been with me all along. You never let me go. Now I walk in full assurance, knowing who you are. For the one who kept me there still holds my heart. I will never stop declaring you are God. Jesus, you never left me. You stayed me. You stayed close, even when I couldn't see. You held me close. Jesus, you never left me. Now I know you've been with me all along. You never let me go.
When the storms of life are raging and I feel afraid, when the weight of all my troubles feels too much to face, I run into your presence where I'm safe. Oh, Jesus, you are my hiding place, my refuge in the shadow of your wings. I trust you, Jesus, you are my hiding place. Now I know I am covered by your love.
where I go, where I go. Now I rest within your promise, you will never leave. Every fear that tried to bind me has no hold on me. I will never stop declaring, you cover me. Yeah, yeah. Jesus, you are my hiding place, my refuge in the shadow of your wings. I trust you. Jesus, you are my hiding place. Now I know I am covered by your love where I go. You turn my crying into joy. I remember all the nights filled with tears and pain. Every prayer I cried out, calling on your name. Didn't know how you would do it, but you made a way. You turned my crying into joy, lifted me from the place I used to be, set me free. You turned my crying into joy. Now I declare, I will praise your holy name everywhere. Now I'm dancing in the freedom that you gave. Every sorrow that I carried, you replaced. I will never stop declaring, you are great. You turn my crying into joy, lifted me from the place I used to be, set me free. You turn my crying into joy. Now I declare, I will praise your holy name everywhere. Even now when I feel broken and the pain is real, even now when I am searching, trying to heal, still I hear your voice reminding, you are here. Even now I'll praise you, lift my hands, even when I don't understand, I will stand. Even now I'll praise you. Now I say you are worthy, Lord, every day. Now I see
keep coming around. You remind me who I am and turn me around. Jesus, you lift my head. I look up from the valley I was in. You lift me up. Jesus, you lift my head. Now I declare I will walk in victory without fear. Oh, oh, now I stand in full assurance of your love. For the one who gave me life has lifted me up. I will never stop declaring you are enough. Jesus, you lift my head. I look up from the valley I was in. You lift me up. Jesus, you lift my head. Now I declare I will walk in victory without fear. I've got a story to tell of the things you've done. How you saved me, healed me, gave me victory won. Now I can't keep silent, I've got to shout. My praise won't be quiet, I will shout of the goodness you have shown without a doubt. My praise won't be quiet. Now I proclaim you are worthy of it all. Forever your name. Every day I wake up breathing is a reason to praise for the mercy you have shown me and the love you gave. I will never stop declaring all my days. My praise won't be quiet, I will shout of the goodness you have shown without a doubt. My praise won't be quiet. Now I proclaim you are worthy of it all. Forever your name. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah.
secure with you by my side. Jesus, you are my anchor, holding me when the storms are raging wild in the sea. Jesus, you are my anchor. Now I know I am steady in your love where I go. Now I stand in full assurance, I won't drift away. For the one who holds my future leads my way. I will never stop declaring, you will stay. Jesus, you are my anchor, holding me when the storms are raging wild in the sea. Jesus, you are my anchor. Now I know I am steady in your love where I go. Redemption with a brand new song. Every step is filled with purpose where I belong. I will never stop declaring you are strong. Yeah, Jesus, you are my rescue. Oh, you save me from the place I used to be. You freed me, Jesus, you are my rescue. Now I declare there is power in your love everywhere. In every season I will praise. When the sun is bright,
trials, through the darkest nights, still my heart will choose to worship. You are my light. In every season I will praise, lift your name, through the joy and through the pain. You're the same. In every season I will praise. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. Now I see your hand has guided every step I've made, through the valleys and the mountains you have stayed. I will never stop declaring you're my praise. In every season I will praise, lift your name, through the joy and through the pain. You're the same. In every season I will praise. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. When my strength begins to fail me and I feel so weak, when I don't know where to turn or what to believe, still I know I can depend on you. You carry me. I cannot stand alone.
You make a way.
Jesus, I lean on you.
Now I declare
I will trust in you everywhere. Now I walk in full dependence on your grace, for the strength I need to carry on comes from your embrace. I will never stop declaring you make a way. Oh, Jesus, I lean on you
every day.
Every day when I cannot stand alone,
You make a way.
Jesus, I lean on you. I will trust in you everywhere. showed me I was not lost. Your hand was always guiding me, no matter the cost. Your faithfulness keeps me going, day by day. Every promise you have made will not fade. Your faithfulness keeps me going. Now I declare you have never failed me yet. Stand on every promise that you've spoken true. For the God who kept me then will see me through. I will never stop declaring I trust you. Your faithfulness keeps me going, day by day. Every promise you have made will not fade. Your faithfulness keeps me going. Now I declare you have never failed me yet. Anywhere. When the enemy is rising, trying to take me down, when the battle all around me feels like it won't slow down, I remember who is with me, and I stand my ground. Jesus, you are my defender. You fight for me. Every battle that I face, you give victory. Jesus, you are my defender. Now I declare, no weapon formed against me will stand anywhere. Now I walk in bold assurance, covered by your grace. Every enemy that rises has no place. I will never stop declaring you made a way. Jesus, you are my defender. You fight for me. Every battle that I face, you give victory. Jesus, you are my defender. Now I declare, no weapon formed against me will stand anywhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. My healer, didn't think I'd heal. Every wound I tried to cover, still I could feel. But you touched me with your power. Now I'm healed.
with a brand new song. Every scar is now a story of how you made me strong. I will never stop declaring I belong. Jesus, you are my healer. You restore every broken part of me anymore. Jesus, you are my healer. Now I proclaim there is power in your touch, in your name. Praise you with my whole heart. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. With every breath that I am breathing, with every step I take, I will give you all my worship. I will not hold back. For the goodness you have shown me, I will praise, I'll praise you with my whole heart. All I am, every part of me will lift up your name. Hey, I'll praise you with my whole heart. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. Now I live in full devotion with my hands held high, for the one who gave me life deserves my life. I will never stop declaring you are mine. I'll praise you with my whole heart. All I am, every part of me will lift up your name. Hey, I'll praise you with my whole heart. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. I was down at my lowest, didn't see a way. Every door felt like it closed day by day. But your grace came and found me right where I lay. Grace lifted me up out of the ground, set my feet on higher places, turned me around. Grace lifted me up. Now I declare I am standing here today because you care. feels uncertain and I lose my way, when the future feels so unclear, day by day, still I know where my hope is, here to stay. Jesus, I find my hope in you, you alone. You're the rock that I stand on, my cornerstone. Jesus, I find my hope in you. Now I declare, there is nothing in this world that compares. Oh, yeah, yeah. Now I walk in full assurance, with my head held high, for the one who holds my future is right by my side. I will never stop declaring, you are my life. Jesus, I find my hope in you, you alone. You're the rock that I stand on, my cornerstone. Jesus, I find my hope in you. Now I declare, there is nothing in this world that compares. Hey, my soul finds rest in you. I was running, I was searching, trying to find peace, but nothing in this world could bring relief, till I found it in your presence. Now I'm free. My soul finds rest in you. Peace so deep, in your presence I am calm, I can breathe. My soul finds rest in you. Now I know there is nowhere else I need to go. Yeah. Now I live in full surrender, with my heart at ease, for the love you've shown to me has captured me. I will never stop declaring, you are peace. My soul finds rest in you. Peace so deep, in your presence I am calm, I can breathe. My soul finds rest in you. Now I know there is nowhere else I need to go.
My praise breaks the silence. In the quiet of the struggle, when I feel alone, when the voices try to tell me I'm on my own, still a sound begins to rise from my soul. My praise breaks the silence. I will shout of the goodness you have shown. Without a doubt, my praise breaks the silence. Now I proclaim, you are worthy a song to sing. Every step is a reflection of your victory. I will never stop declaring you are King. My praise breaks the silence. I will shout of the goodness you have shown. Without a doubt, my praise breaks the silence. Now I proclaim you are worthy of it all. Forever your name. Oh, my praise breaks the silence.
To bind me has no hold on me. I will never stop declaring you cover me. Oh, Jesus, you are my refuge, my strong tower in the middle of the storm. You give power, Jesus, you are my refuge. Now I know I am safe within your love. Where I go, where I go. When there seemed to be no way, and I was stuck in place, every door was closed before me, I couldn't escape. But you came and opened pathways by your grace. Oh yes, Jesus, you made a way for me, set me free from the chains that once held me, gave me victory. Jesus, you made a way for me. Now I to sing. Every step is a reminder of your victory. I will never stop declaring you are King. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Jesus, you made a way for me, set me free from the chains that once held me, gave me victory. Jesus, you made a way for me. Now I proclaim there is power in your name, forever the same. From the moment that you saved me till the end of time, I will sing about your goodness and the love divine. Every breath I have within me will testify. I'll sing of your love forever, day and night. I will lift my voice to you with all my might. I'll sing of your love forever. Now I declare you are worthy, Lord, beyond compare. Oh, na 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 na. Now my life is just a reflection of your